Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. I wanted to create obviously a warm tone look, but I really wanted to add a pop of color, so I decided to add a little bit of teal slash mint because mint is such a hot color for the summer. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this look for Makeup Monday. This is actually not going to be a voiceover. It is going to be a more chill, relaxed video where you guys just kind of see the process of the makeup application. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are not yet. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this makeup look so you guys can know how to recreate it. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with my primer. Today we're going to switch it up. You guys know that I always use a concealer, but we're going to switch it up. So I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. I haven't used this in so long. Do you guys remember when this was like the it primer back in the good old YouTube days? I'm going to blend that in. I also wanted to switch up today's Makeup Monday video. I know you guys don't really mind the voiceovers, but some of you don't really like voiceovers, so I figured, you know what? It's Sunday. I ain't got nothing to do, so we're gonna chill. So I actually, for once, I'm going to set my eyeshadow using just a translucent powder. I usually don't set my base, sorry, not my eyeshadow, but for today's look, I'm just going to grab a little bit, and I'm literally just going to run that through the lids. Not adding too much though, because you don't want to over powder your eyelids, then it's going to be hard for colors to show up. I'm going to start off with a pretty fluffy brush. This is by MOTD. This is Build and Blend. So anything that is nice and fluffy like this, we're going to grab our palette. Again, this is the Morphe 3502. I'm going to start off with this shade right here. That one. If you are lighter than me, you can go in with this one. And I'm going to throw that into the crease. Ooh. I forgot how beautiful this palette was. I haven't used it in so long. Also, I did want to mention really quick that I know some of you like to see a full face when I'm doing an eyeshadow look, but keep in mind that Makeup Monday for me is more of an educational day for me to show you guys how to really blend your eyeshadows, how to pack on your eyeshadows, and what colors to mix. So that's why I don't show a full face, because I concentrate on just the eyes so you guys can master your makeup looks. If you guys are interested in seeing full face looks, I do upload videos on Wednesday and Friday as well. And if I do any makeup look, 99.9% of the time I will do a full face, and my foundation routine hasn't changed. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and turn on your bell so you can be notified anytime that I upload a new video. I am going to go in with a more detailed brush. So this is the Morphe M514. And I am going to take an orange shade, any burnt orange shade that you may have. This is like a red-orange shade. I just want to spice up the look, if you will. And this is going to go into the crease, not really covering up the peachy shade that we just laid down. Just going right underneath it, right here. And it's okay if you get into your lid, because we're going to do a cut crease, so that's going to be all covered up. I am going to go back with my peachy shade, and I'm just going to reinforce the color so we don't lose any of that shade that we first laid down. And it's also going to help you guys blend the shade that we just put down, that orangey burnt shade. The last shade that I'm going to go in with is somewhat of a burgundy shade. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is one of the most like burgundy-ish, reddish type of colors. I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. And I'm using a small, more precise brush. This is the ColourPop E21 because I don't want to bring this up too high. Alright, our eyeshadow is laid down. It is nice and blended. Now comes the step of ruining everything we did. Just kidding. We're going to take our concealer this time. I don't want to go in with the Eden Potion eye primer just because it's not as watery as I wanted to. So I'm just going to go in with a concealer. Whatever you have is fine. And I am going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to go back with the palettes, and we're going to take a pretty like peachy shade to kind of complement what we have going on in the eyes. So I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is such a stunning shade. It's like peachy, coppery-ish. I'm actually going to mix it a little bit with that golden shade so it's even more of a lighter peach. Oh yeah, that's exactly the shade that I wanted. Oh my god, that shade is stunning. So again, I just mixed this shade with this shade. So these two right here. Now I'm going to go back into the crease and just reapply the colors that we just laid down. So going in with the orange, and then that burgundy shade just to create that nice soft effect at the edges. Now to add the pop of color, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Fresh. And I'm going to throw that into the waterline, but I'm also going to run it through the lash line. That way when I apply the next shade, it can really grab on. Now I'm going to go in with a different palette. You guys can use whatever like minty bluish shade that you guys have. And I am going to go in with a very small detailed brush, which is this one right here. This is from Kaleidos. It's the S5 brush. So anything that's small. I'm going to take the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take the shade Daisy, which is that Tiffany blue. I'm actually going to take a little bit of the shade Dream, which is also a Tiffany blue. And I'm going to run that through the inner corners. So for my lashes, I am going to take the Tarte X Lily Pons. These are in the style, they actually don't have a name, they're just the Lily Pons lashes. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look. This is my take on a like sunset beach poolside makeup look. I don't know, I just really wanted to play with mint and add a pop of color to a nice warm tone look. I hope you guys recreate this makeup look. I was going to say this picture. I hope you guys recreate this makeup look. As always, tag me on your pictures so I can show you some love. If you are new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes, and I would love for you to join my family. You can do so by hitting that subscribe button, and if you want to do that, also make sure you turn on your little bell notification so you can stay updated with all my videos. I do upload every Monday, Makeup Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we do tons of drugstore makeup looks and drugstore makeup in general. So thank you guys for joining me today for Makeup Monday. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!